Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. Today I decided I would film just because we are doing some fun things. First off, we do have a vet appointment for the cats. They have to get a shot today, so we're gonna go do that. It's currently 10:20 and our appointment is at 11 o'clock. Don't mind my face, it is a hot mess and so is my hair. I just haven't finished getting ready yet, but I was making breakfast and I thought I would show you guys what I'm making. Some crepes, just like this, and I have some bananas and I think I'm gonna put Nutella. Nutella sounds really good with banana pancakes. Yeah, so today we have planned to go to the vet with the cats, and then we're gonna come back. Alex has a project to finish for school, and then he's done school, and after that we're gonna leave. Oh my god, I really am a mess. Oh my god. After that we're gonna leave and we're gonna go to Ottawa and we're gonna go shopping probably, and then we're meeting up with some friends to go eat dinner at a ramen place, and we're probably just gonna do a couple of things in Ottawa that are gonna be fun. So I thought I would show you guys what we get up to, and I also wanted to show you guys because last time we went to the vet and we put harnesses on our cats, they started like falling over. Like they really didn't like the harnesses on them, and they were super loose. I could put like 2 fingers through, so it was really funny, and I thought maybe they would do it, so like I wanted to show you guys because it's really funny.
He got fatter.
Oh no, he got fatter. We have to loosen up his harness. Fat cat. The harness is not put on completely, like you guys can see, it's kind of on his back, but he's like so not sure what to do. And then Nala's over there, I put like half of her harness on too, and she's just not getting up, like oh, poor babies. And like they're literally super loose. The harnesses are super loose. They could literally squeeze out if they wanted, but like they really don't like putting their harnesses on. Oh my god. Nala, Nala, what are you doing? Oh my god. And her harness is like super, like it's in the middle because I tried to put it on her but she ran away. Anyways. And Nala, Miss Nala. And Nala, she just goes backwards when she has the harness on her. Oh. Hi, Coco. Hi. Nala, come here. Come here, Nala. She's not moving. Oh my god, poor little baby. I feel so bad, but we don't have a choice. Nala. Nala. Hi. She just goes backwards. She can't. Oh. So we are back home from the cat's appointment. It went really great. They were really stressed in the car. Like Coco's fine, but Nala gets super stressed in the car and she'll start meowing like crazy. But it's okay. Like everything went fine and we're back home. They have their food and their water and they seem to be happy and okay. But now that we're home, like I mentioned earlier, Alex is gonna finish his project and I am gonna attempt to clean the apartment. Let me show you guys. It's a pretty big mess. So our bedroom, like I have so much clothes right here, and like our bed's not made, and like we have things everywhere. And then, let me see. Ugh. The bathroom, like it looks clean, but I really have to clean it up. I have to wash it. And then I have to pick up these things. I still have pumpkins from Halloween. I'm gonna clean up this table. And then the real mess, the freaking dishes that we have to do. So I'm gonna do the dishes and I'll update you guys once we leave for Ottawa. Let's go. So for the majority of the clothes that I had on my desk that you guys just saw me move everything, I just put it on my bed. So it's like all over here, and then I also have like a whole bunch of clothes right here. So all of that is actually things that I ordered on Black Friday or afterwards, and I've been meaning to do a haul or to return them. So, and I haven't had the chance just because I was at the end of my session, and then this week I worked like crazy. So yeah, but I am gonna have a haul coming very, very soon. I know I mentioned the last video or like 2 videos ago that I would like the next video would be a haul, but for sure I'm planning on a haul. Hopefully I'll be able to film one very, very soon. I do need the lighting to be good for me to be able to film one. But I think like next Monday I'll be able to film one. Today we're Friday, so like not the weekend, but at least Monday I'll be able to film one for you guys, and I'll be able to edit it and put it up just before Christmas, and then I'll be able to show you guys what I get up to on Christmas Day and all the activities that I have planned. I almost have like an entire week off of just doing fun things, so this is gonna be so awesome. A lot of content, a lot of memories. I'm so excited. But yeah, so all that just to say that the majority of the clothes that I have right here are literally things that I have to return that I haven't had the time to, or things that I've been needing to haul. That's literally what it is. So be on the lookout for a haul coming very, very soon. I'm so excited. I haven't filmed a haul in like a year, and I'm so excited for that. So let's get back to cleaning, and I'm excited to show you guys all the things that I got. And I got them for like a really good price. By the way, I don't buy things that are super expensive. They're either on sale, I have a coupon, or they're a very good price. So get excited for that. I just wanted to come on here and share something with you guys. Recently we ordered food from a place called Goodfoods, or is it Goodfoods? Yeah, I think it's Goodfood. Goodfood, not Good Foods. And I just wanted to show you guys because I find it super cool the way that it came. It arrived this morning. We have 3 different meals in it. I'll show you guys the meals later, but I just wanted to show you guys like the box that it came in. I think it's just so cool. It came in this box right here, and then we opened it, and it's kind of like a little fridge. So I just find it so cool, and there's a big ice pack in the bottom, and the cats were having so much fun just going in the box and playing in it. But yeah, we got a super good discount on it because they were like promoting it in our neighborhood. So we got 3 meals for 2 people each meal, so 6 portions for $21, which is awesome. But these are the meals that we got. Let me show you guys. So we got this right here, which is like, I don't know how to call this in English, but it's just like white beans, I guess. Yeah, white beans thing. I don't know. We got linguine, I think, and meatballs, which looks awesome. And then we got this chicken that is with like this honey butter sauce and spices and broccoli, and it looks so good. And what's cool is at the back there's like the steps and how to do it. I think it's just so cool, and I just wanted to share with you guys this. So we're actually like in the Ottawa region, so if ever like any of you guys watch this video and you're in the Ottawa region and you're super interested, just go on Goodfood and you'll be able to order yourself some food. It looks awesome. They have different selections every single week, and I don't know if we're gonna try it again after this. We'll see like how good it is, but it does look awesome. And we'll see, like maybe I can get some inspiration from these recipes for other recipes that I'm gonna make. So yeah, I'm gonna make this and I'll show you guys the final result. Oh, also I want to show you guys. So they come like individually packed, like in a bag like this, and there's like everything in it. So see, there's like broccoli and then some cabbage and like everything's there. And then we have the meat also like right here. Like see, for the meatballs we have like this little pack right here. For the chicken we have this right here. Like it's super cool, like it's awesome. So yeah, I'll try to remember to link them down below if ever any of you guys are interested to order from there. But we're super excited to try it. And I think for lunch, we're gonna try the bean one, the white bean one right here. Yeah, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's done. So I just took it out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. It looks so good. It smells so good, and I think we're gonna eat it with Tostito chips, and it's gonna be so good. I'll show you guys once it's in the plate so you can really see like what's in it. It looks amazing and smells amazing. So this is what it looks like. There's the beans, there's the carrots, there's spinach, some garlic, onions, and celery, and it's so good, and we're eating it with Tostitos, and it is the best thing ever. Show us what you're getting.
Gloves. This is my old one. Kind of looks similar, but it's really old.
Very old. And everything is 50% off at American Eagle right now. So that's awesome.
I like it.
Nice hat.
Really nice. Fits me good. Fits me well.
It's really nice.
It's warm as well.
We like it. We like it. Look at the pretty decorations. Ooh, there's big balls everywhere. It's so nice. I love Christmas decor. Ooh. Let's check this out, man. Do we like this? Je sais pas. On some clothes. Sorry, you can kind of see my. I'm gonna take this, man. Peut-être pas ma caméra, mais moi j'ai mon cell. What's up, Bryce?
What's good?
Yay,
Oh, it's a video.
What's up, guys? It has been 2 days since the last time that I vlogged. I think the last thing you guys have seen is probably the ramen that we ate on Friday night. Today is Sunday night. I haven't updated you guys because literally I worked all weekend and we had to go Christmas shopping and we had a couple of things to do, some errands to run, so we haven't had the time to do anything. And I'm sorry I look bald and I'm trying to put my hair on the side, but like it's just not working. Like nothing's working right now. My hair looks like a mess. But anyways, right now I actually got my nails done, so this is what they look like. I just got like shellac white, and it's just simple and I like it. It's just for the Christmas time so that my nails don't look like ratchet and like they look good. So I'm pretty happy with what I got, and it was super inexpensive. It took 30 minutes and it was done. I got super lucky that on a Sunday like I was able to just get in and it'd be done in 30 minutes, which is amazing. After that we went to Dollarama because we did need to get a couple of things. We bought a couple of gifts like I just mentioned, and we needed to get some wrapping paper and some bags to put our things in. So I'm gonna wrap those and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm also gonna do a little haul with Alex of what we got. Like literally we didn't get that much, but I am gonna show you guys what we got when we went to the shopping mall the other day because it was fun, and we did get a couple of things. I did end up getting that jacket that I got that I tried on in Urban Outfitters. But yeah, I was gonna show you guys like more because I think I also showed you guys like a couple of things, like me trying on some clothes at Urban Outfitters. My camera died right when I was filming in there, but that's fine. I have enough footage, I think. Like I literally tried on one other thing after that and it didn't fit. I didn't end up getting it, so it doesn't matter. But I think like me and Alex will just show you guys later like what we got. Probably like maybe we'll have time like tomorrow to do that. Like I just don't have time. Or I might actually just do a haul because I am going to be filming a haul. Like, man, I have no idea when I'm going to be able to film a haul. I'm going to film a haul really soon. I don't know when I'm gonna have time to film a haul. So I'm actually gonna be filming one really soon. So I'll actually just show that in the haul. But anyways, I'm gonna go wrap some gifts. We're all ready. Let me show you guys. I'm so sorry that it's super dark out. It's just because like all the lights are closed and I'm actually like watching a video on my TV. So I'm not gonna open all the lights, but like I have this lamp right here. Our Christmas tree is lit up. And yes, my pumpkins are still there, but I got some wrapping paper. We got a couple of things in here to wrap everything, and our presents are all in this right here. So I'm gonna wrap those up and then I'll update you guys afterwards. Success! I have wrapped all the gifts and I have some over here also. And then these two things right here for me and Alex. Like this one I'm bringing to my grandparents because we are going down there for a couple of days. So I'm going to bring that to my grandparents' house. And then Alex got this for himself when we went to Costco the other day. It is just like 3 different beers with 3 different glasses. It's pretty cool and it was really inexpensive. So he decided to get it for himself. But anyways, I think I'm going to end my video here. I'm going to try to film a haul super soon because I literally have so much clothes that I got within the last like 2 months that I really want to haul, and I'm super excited to haul. And then I also have my birthday vlog that I haven't uploaded yet, which like is crazy because my birthday was like a month ago almost. But I'll try to have those up really soon, and that will be it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.